Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to install Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, you will need a Windows 10 installation media, such as a Windows 10 bootable USB drive. Our video on how to create a Windows 10 bootable USB drive with Rufus might help you. The link is in the description below. Second, you will need to insert the USB drive into the computer, then restart the PC, and access the BIOS or UEFI. Adjust the boot priority to boot from the USB drive, or you can enter the boot menu and boot from the USB drive directly. Our video on how to boot from a USB flash drive might help you. The link is in the description below. If you see the press any key to boot screen, hit enter. Now, in the Windows setup screen, you can choose the time and currency format, and the keyboard or input method, then click Next. Alternatively, you can leave the default values and click Next, then click on Install Now. Here, if you have a product key, enter it and click on Next. If you don't have a product key, leave the field blank and click on I don't have a product key. Then select the Windows version you want to install, Home, Pro, etc., and click on Next. Now, check the I accept the license terms box, and click on Next, then click on Custom, Install Windows Only. Here, you need to select where you want to install Windows. You might have a few drive options like Drive 0, Drive 1, etc., based on how many storage drives you have connected to the system. If you have a brand new drive or system, the drive will show as unallocated space. Just make sure to select the right drive, where you want Windows to be installed, then click on Next. If you are reinstalling Windows, you will see the Windows drive with its partitions, like Drive 0 Partition 1, Drive 0 Partition 2, etc., also known as System Partition, MSR Partition, Primary Partition, Recovery Partition. To do a fresh install of Windows, select every partition mentioned and click on Delete. This will show the space as unallocated space. Select the right drive, where you want Windows to be installed, then click on Next. Wait until the installation finishes. The system will restart automatically, and the screen might flash black during the process, so don't worry about it. Now, in the out-of-box experience screen, choose your country then click on Yes. Choose your keyboard layout then click on Yes. You can add another layout or click on Skip. Here, choose Setup for personal use and click on Next. Now, you can sign in with your Microsoft account if you want to, or you can click on Offline Account, then click on Limited Experience. Then type a name for your account, and click on Next. You can enter a password for your account, or leave it blank and click on Next. Now, click on Not Now, then disable everything for privacy reasons, and click on Accept. Then click on Skip, then click on Not Now, and wait until you are at the desktop. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.